Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is very important video for the window user as well as mobile user. Watch this video up to end. You will learn more and more. Up-to-down website is a very popular website. It provides three platforms for the user. One platform for the window user, one platform for the Android user, and third platform for the Apple user. Up-to-down website offering free of cost verified application for the window, for the Apple as well as for the Android. This website provide you two key feature. Number one is before downloading all application are scanned for the virus. Number second feature is no registration required for the downloading. Critically, I will show you up-to-down website feature and the downloading method any type of software. Now come to the PC and click on the Google Chrome and then write the up-to-down website for the PC. Click on it. Then click on the first link. And this is the main page of the up-to-down website and home page of the up-to-down website. And you can select three platforms here. You can select Windows platform, you can select Apple platform, and you can select Android platform. Now I select the Windows platform. Then click on the search icon and write your desired application here you want to download for the window. Now I write WhatsApp desktop application here. So click on the WhatsApp desktop application and then scroll down and you can see the latest version of the WhatsApp desktop application. And to get the latest version, click on it and scroll down and you can see here the information about WhatsApp desktop application. It is free. It is used for the window and its language is English and its size is 283 MBs. And scroll down and permission is not applicable here and downloaded date 19 December 2025 and there is no architecture specified here. It will install any type of architecture. And this is the important points of the WhatsApp desktop application. You can see here it will install only on the Windows 8, Windows 10 and as well as Windows 11. It will not install on the Windows 7. Note at this point, it is the important points. And then scroll down and then click on the download button. The download will start here and you can also change your path of the downloading. Click on it and you can download it on the desktop and download it on the download folder, or you can download it on the C drive, D drive, any drive. And I selected this path and then click on the download button. The download will start here. You can see. So in short, I recommended you the up-to-down website for the any type of application. If you have any question about the up-to-down website, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.